Welcome to HydroHelp 911, your trusted source for all your home's foundations needs. Today we're going to explore the reason why leveling floors is not always possible. Each house is built with a unique framing structure, and this can greatly affect the feasibility of leveling floors. The way a house is framed determines how it reacts to applied pressure. Over the years, framing techniques have evolved, and houses built in different decades may have significant variations in their construction methods. In many cases, the framing that determines the stability of the floors is covered up by drywall or paneling, making it difficult to assess the structural integrity without blueprints or pictures from the build. When floors start sagging, sloping, or shifting, something interesting is happening. They develop what is known as a memory. Let's imagine a piece of wood that has been in a certain position for a long time. This position becomes the norm for that piece of wood, and it resists any attempts to change its shape or position. Think about custom railing for staircases. The wood is bent using heat, moisture, and pressure to make it stay in a specific position for the lifetime of the home once it has dried out. When trying to lift a home that has been sinking, sloping, or sagging for a period of time, you are essentially fighting against this memory. It's important to understand what it means for a house to be considered level. Even in today's standards, houses can be slightly out of level and still be categorized as level. Structural engineers and other industry professionals use a specific formula to determine whether a house is level or not. That formula is length divided by 240. Let's take an example. Imagine a 12-foot area that is sagging. According to the length divided by 240 formula, the maximum allowable sag for that span would be 12 feet multiplied by 12 inches in a foot, which equals 144. Dividing 144 inches by 240 gives us 0.6 of an inch, or 5/8. In this example, if the floor is sloping, sagging, or moving more than 5/8 of an inch, it is considered out of level and will require attention. Lastly, it's essential to remember that just because something can be lifted doesn't mean it should be. Yes, we have the capacity to lift almost anything. We can use larger jacks, more jacks, bigger pumps, and even bigger equipment. However, lifting a structure without considering the consequences can lead to further damage. It truly is a risk versus reward situation. Lifting a structure without careful planning can result in cracked granite countertops, marble hearths, sheetrock, cabinets, and other delicate components inside your home. If you're facing these challenges, consult a professional who is licensed, insured, and has trust within your community for expert advice and assistance. Contact HydroHelp 911 today and let our experienced team guide you through your home foundation needs.